Hey developers! Welcome back to Coding with AI, where we teach you how to code smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving deep into advanced query optimization in Laravel 12. As you start working on bigger projects, you are to come across situations where you have to handle with large data sets and therefore you want to speed up your queries. So let's get started. Before we jump into Laravel-specific optimizations, let's understand what makes a query slow. Common reasons include unoptimized indexes, retrieving unnecessary columns, executing too many queries, also known as the N+1 problem, lack of caching. Now let's see how Laravel 12 helps us optimize queries. First up, using eager loading to solve the N+1 problem. One of the biggest performance killers is the N+1 query problem. Let's say we have a post model that belongs to a user class. A standard approach for most beginners might look like this. This will execute one query for fetching posts and an additional query for each post's user. Instead, use eager loading like this. With eager loading, Laravel fetches all related users in one query, significantly reducing database calls. Next, selecting only needed columns. Fetching all columns with can be inefficient, especially when dealing with large tables. Instead of this, $users =, user all, optimize by selecting only necessary columns. This reduces the amount of data fetched, improving performance. Now, leveraging indexing and query caching. Indexes are crucial for performance. To add an index to a column, modify your migration like this. You can also cache queries using Laravel's built-in cache system. You should definitely be caching frequently requested data that do not get updated regularly. This caches the result for 60 seconds, reducing database load. Finally, using chunking for large datasets. If you're processing a large dataset, use chunking to avoid memory exhaustion. Instead of loading everything at once, chunking retrieves 100 records at a time, optimizing performance. And that's a wrap. We covered key optimizations like eager loading, indexing, caching, and chunking to speed up Laravel 12 queries. Remember these as just a few of the many effective techniques you can start using right away in your project to improve the performance of your application by making better database queries. Try these out, and let me know in the comments how they improve your application's performance. Look out for the next video when we dive even deeper into Laravel optimization with more complex techniques. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more coding tips. See you in the next one. Happy coding!